Hi friends, you're watching movie reviews with Raghuram. In this video, I'll be reviewing the web series Arya Season 2, which is premiering on Disney Plus Hotstar. Arya Season 2 is the sequel of Arya Season 1. It is a crime thriller action drama, and the story of Arya Season 2 continues from where Arya Season 1 had ended. The story of Arya is about the lead character Arya, played by Sushmita Sen. She is a doting and caring mother who is taking care of her 3 kids amidst the tragedy of the demise of her husband, who was murdered. His murder had exposed the darker side of the pharma industry in which he was working. While working in the pharma business, Arya's husband was deeply trapped in the drug mafia and crime syndicate. Of course, unwillingly and unintentionally. The kids are recovering from the tragedy. She is recovering from the tragedy. She is running from one place to the other with the kids in order to protect their lives. Her life and her kids' life is also endangered. She had gone into the depth of exploring the death of her husband and had been deeply trapped with enemies all around. On one side, the drug syndicate and the Russian mafia is behind her, and on the other side, the police are behind her. Her children aren't trusting her, and her daughter has fallen into the drug abuse. Her own family members are plotting to betray her and remove her from the equation. Whom to trust, whom not to trust, it becomes a question of survival for Arya as she is trapped in the jungle of crime. Can Arya protect herself and her children from the crime world and the drug syndicate and the drug mafia? Why are police behind her? Does Arya succumb to everything, or will she fight back? How far and how deep Arya will go to fix all these problems? Is there a way out? You'll get the answers for all these questions when you watch the web series Arya Season 2. Now let me come to the strong points of the web series Arya Season 2. Sushmita Sen undoubtedly is the strongest strength of Arya. She was in Season 1 and she is in Season 2, and she will also be in Season 3 or 4, whatever seasons come ahead of this. Yes, the web series promises a Season 3 at the end of Season 2. Sushmita Sen carries the entire web series on her shoulders. Her acting is superb, her expressions are spot on, and very importantly, the transition of her character from the first to the last episode is ultimate. I feel Sushmita Sen's character is one of the strongest female characters which has been written in any web series of late. We can see Sushmita Sen struggling between different emotions in the web series. The transition of her character from being indecisively decisive to decisively indecisive and lot of shades to her character makes Arya one of the strongest characters ever written. She has lot of things to handle in her life: her kids, herself, the mafia, the police, the friends, the force, everything she has to handle single-handedly, and every time she is trapped at the threshold of 2 things, that is judgment and decision. Watch out for Sushmita Sen in Arya. At the same time, the web series Arya is also supported by a very good cast ensemble. All the characters have been scripted very well, and each and every actor and actress have gone into the skin of the character and given a very good performance to make Arya what it is. The success of Arya as a web series is just because of its story, the story narration, and very strong characters. Let me just mention the name of a few actors who have given awesome performance in Arya. We have Ankur Bhatia, Akash Khurana, and Sikandar Kher in very good roles. We also have Jayant Kripalani and Vishwajit Pradhan. We also have Vikas Kumar. The 3 kids of Arya, their role is also superb. Watch out for Virti Vagani, who plays the role of Arya's daughter, Sushmita Sen's daughter in the web series. Her role is superb. As I said, a good story, suspenseful moments, and the element of thrill which is stitched with each and every frame, with most of the frames of the web series, makes Arya an interesting watch. The web series is intriguing, is gripping, and has lot of twists and turns. Ram Madhwani is the director of Arya, and he has done a stupendous job. Sandeep Modi and Vinod Rawat are also among the direction team. One more thing I just need to mention is about the background music. The background music and background score of the web series is awesome, and here and there you keep hearing the old melodies coming in the backdrop. And at many instances, be it BGM or the melody or the song which is playing in the backdrop, is situational and syncs with the mood and frame of that particular scene. Now let me come to the negativities of Arya Season 2. The slow pace of the web series is the biggest negativity of the web series. If you don't mind about the pace, if you don't mind about the length of the web series, Arya you can definitely watch. Slow and steady wins the race, isn't it? So on my scoreboard, I would go with 7 out of 10 for Arya Season 2. Watch Arya Season 2 on Disney Plus Hotstar. Thanks for watching my video. If you loved my video, kindly like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll catch up with you all in my next video with yet another movie review. Until then, do take care. Goodbye. Namaste.